my name is Rachel. I currently live in Massachusetts. I am in the dual degree program, so I'm doing the Master in Human Sexuality as well. So professionally, I am currently working in an inpatient detox facility. It's a voluntary program, which makes a huge difference as far as substance use treatment goes. But yeah, substance use is something I'm really passionate about, which is why I'm very excited for this course, because I'm hoping to put a lot of focus on kind of learning more about the policy end of how the drug war influences people in general, but more specifically minorities, which is something that I feel like this program has really opened my mind to, as well as my professional experience, because I also was working in corrections before working in this facility. But yeah, I'm very interested in widening my cultural competency, because I feel like that's something I kind of lack, and I'm very interested in continuing to explore. So yeah, very excited for this course, and I look forward to working with you all. Thank you.